In this video, I'll be showing you the steps to cold start your STIHL FS 251 trimmer and then doing a demonstration afterwards. Before you get started, make sure that your trimmer head isn't touching any objects or debris. Start off by pressing the primer bulb 5 to 8 times until filled. Put your trimmer into the full choke position. Next, grab your starter rope and pull. It should take about 1 to 3 pulls until you hear a blip. When you hear it, stop, put your trimmer into the half choke position. Pull again. Should take about 1 or 2 pulls, and then the engine should come on. When it comes on, press your throttle, blip it. That's going to set your trimmer into the run position. Okay, so now let's do a demonstration. It's already primed. I'll put it in the full choke position and pull. You heard that blip. Let's put it in the half choke position. It should come on now. When it comes on, I'm going to press that throttle. If your engine is still warm, you don't need to go through the steps again. All you need to do is pull that starter cord and it should start right up again. Now, if you go to pull it and it doesn't start up, it probably means that your engine might be flooded. So I'm going to be showing you how to unflood that engine. So there are 2 basic ones. The more common one is to leave it in the run position and then pull on that starter rope. Probably should take you maybe 10 pulls before you get the gas cleared out. The method that I personally use is that I leave it in the run position. I secure my foot on it. Use my left hand to pull, squeeze on that throttle, and then pull on that starter rope. That works, but it's a little bit more dangerous because it starts up the engine at full RPM right away. Now, if you're doing a cold start, you prime it, you pull on that cord. If it doesn't blip within the 3rd pull, your engine's probably flooded. Go ahead and skip the half choke, put it straight into the run position, and perform the steps that I just explained, whichever you're more comfortable with. I hope this video was helpful.